Hi guys, this is Viperman. Welcome to my first Minecraft mod showcase. First, we will tell you how about in Pixelmon. Okay, so what I will show you Pixelmon mod, the most advanced, most amazing mods in the history of Minecraft. Okay, sec. There's there's a lot of mobs here. Let me please. Okay, they're gone. Okay, times. I just get into the survival, so here it is. Okay, if I've got Rayquaza here, if you want to throw a Pokemon out, you could just press R. Okay, there it is. You can Pokemons here. Just press right click to fly, press space, and to move forward, obviously press W. Just about all the directions. Oh, there's a Snorlax. Okay, just if you wanna catch a Pokemon, if you wanna call a Pokemon, just press. If you wanna choose a Pokemon, just press the bracket. If you don't know what this bracket is, just find it in the Google. Okay, I will let out Charizard. Okay, there he is. Level 100. If you wanna catch a Pokemon, just search Pokemon. Here is there. There's lot kinds of balls. Let me see. Let me find the. I can't find. Yes. Okay. There's no. What the? Leave them. You can find any balls what you want. Okay. If you wanna catch a Pokemon, just press right click. Make sure to hit him. If he goes red, you will catch him, but just wait before you catch him. Okay? Let's put them. If you wanna spawn a Pokemon, just press Poke spawn. I will spawn. I will spawn Munchlax. Where's Munchlax? What the? I'll just spawn him again. Pokey's Pokespawn Pikachu. Oh, cute little Pikachu. Where's Pikachu? What? I can see Pikachu. I'll leave them be. That's how to spawn. Ah, come back here. And something is here. This is the trading machine. It is used to trade. Okay, if you wanna trade with someone else, gotta be in multiplayer. But if you'll be able to trade, you need first. Oh, oh, you don't need any items to. This one is a fossil machine. Insert fossil. Okay. Hey, I don't know what the. Sorry about the lag, guys. But you can ride Charizard. It's really cool, guys. Okay, let's get off to him now. And how do I insert a fossil? Just guys, just search them in the Google. I have no time to search them because I have class. Okay, the next one is a healer. If you play GBA games, Pokemon, you would see in the Pokemon Center that they have these. If you wanna heal your Pokemon, just right click it and your Pokemon. Oh, it will be lag. Then just wait. It takes a little bit. Okay, it's it's done. Okay, I just destroy it. The next one is the cloning machine. Machine. Cloning machine. Oh, I need to insert Mew. Okay, scanning. Insert. Okay. It looks like I gotta get diamond gold. It's pretty iron. If you wanna get this in survival, you might want to waste some of your resources, but it's actually pretty good. Kangaskhan. Oh, the Pokemons actually spawned randomly. You don't need to spawn them. You they just what? Sorry for the lag, guys. It's pretty lag down here. Okay, there's Mew. There's Mew, guys. It's not you though. Sorry, guys. Bit of lag. It's a bit of lag here. Pixelmon. Okay, guys, just hang on. Just Okay, guys, it's pretty short video, but I hope you enjoy it. The links down below if you want to download it. The Minecraft Forge, the Pixelmon link, there will be on the description. Don't forget, if you enjoy this, guys, don't forget to hit a like. If you want to view daily videos of me, the of me, did I say it correctly? If you want daily videos of Minecraft, make sure to hit that subscribe button and I will give a big thank you. And guys, if I reach 150 subscribers, I will make a video on how to install mods. Tell all your friends. Bye.